Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin while parked. Mount your phone and connect audio so prompts reach you clearly. Open Google Maps, type the address or press the microphone and speak it. This saves time and keeps you legal. Once you see routes, compare the fastest versus toll-free options because detours change travel time. Tap Start to launch turn-by-turn navigation and make sure voice guidance is enabled so you won't need to read the screen. You drive while Maps actively guides you. Listen for voice prompts and glance at the arrows only briefly. Use the lane guidance overlay when approaching complex junctions. It shows which lane to occupy. Pinch to set a 0. 5 to 1 mile zoom so upcoming exits are visible without clutter. If you spot slow traffic or an incident on the map, tap Alternate or let Maps choose a faster route. This keeps your ETA accurate and reduces stress. You complete the trip by tapping End, save the place if you'll return. If voice instructions cut out, first check your phone volume, Do Not Disturb mode, and Bluetooth audio routing. These commonly mute prompts. If routes are inaccurate, force close Google Maps and reopen it, or toggle the navigation settings so the app reloads real-time traffic. When problems persist, update the app. Updates fix mapping bugs and keep lane guidance reliable, ensuring better next-time navigation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.